everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited because today I want to show you an updated binder video of BTS. I recently got this card in August D. My sister bought this for me because I have not pulled Suga. I've not pulled Suga in any of my freaking BTS albums, which is really sad. So she bought me this because I was really upset. So yeah, let's get into it. Obviously, I have it starting out with August D because he is my favorite. He is like above all of the other members and above, honestly, any member of any other group. His rapping is amazing. Here I have some gifted things. Like I ordered stickers, like all of these stickers from Etsy, and it was like this bias pack, and like they made these cute little photo cards, like obviously, you know, like they say Canon on the back. They're really cute. I bought my sister Jungkook, so I have those set aside already, or I would show them to you. Yeah. And then I have the two postcards that come in each album. I can't remember which one is version 1 and which one is version 2. I do have a video on my channel of unboxing them, so I will link it down below or like put it in the card somewhere if you're interested in like what comes in the album. Here I have, because I bought Jin's Echo album, it came with 3 photo cards, and then these are just extra things that I got from that bias pack I bought on Etsy. And then you go into the album of Love Yourself. So there's 3 different versions. There's Love Yourself. So this is from Love. This is from the L version. So I have J-Hope and RM. And then for the O, I have V and Jungkook. Look at this photo card of V. So stunning. I can't even get over this. Like, it is so cute. Like, I want to take this everywhere with me, but I only have a freaking Stray Kids keychain thing. I wish I had one for BTS because this would go with me. It is so cute. And then for V, I like the letter V for Love Yourself. I have Jin and RM. For E, I have Jimin and V. They're like at the pizza shop. I think they're all them at the pizza shop, which is really cute. And then starting on the Your version, I have RM. I have Jin. I'm like moving my binder around because like this camera is just not, it's just not today. Apparently it's not having it. And then for, what is this? For You, all of the You ones are them sleeping. I have Jimin. My sister has Suga. She pulled Suga, which, I mean, Jimin is my wrecker, so I mean, I get it. I'm happy I have a Jimin, but like, come on. For R, I got Namjoon or RM. I don't know if my camera needs to be calibrated, but like, it is right up against my desk and it is so crooked. I have the DJI Osmo 3, I think. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. But anyway, for this one, I'll just take the cards out. For this one, I have J-Hope. I have Jungkook. Every time I think of Jungkook, I just think of Party Party Yeah, and it's just stuck in my head. I have RM. These are so cute. Also, those are my sleeves. If you see the flowers, it's just the sleeves that I have. That's not the card. And then for the last letter, I have this cute one of V. Look at him. So cute. I unboxed all of these, or at least most of them, on my channel, so I can also put that down below if you want to check it out. And then it goes into Butter. I think I've already shown you guys this part. And then I have like the Permission to Dance, like the live. This is, I think this came out like when they came back from the military. And then I have the things from McDonald's. I have them for Suga too. And then I have their little postcards from Permission to Dance. And that is it. And I have all of this ready to go for their new comeback. I don't know what they're going to have. I can't wait. If they do anything like this, I do need more of those. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. Buying those concert tickets is going to be brutal. That is all I have to say. Not really BTS related, but I went back through all of my 17 photo cards, and I'm selling some, but I'm going to keep these. So this is Joshua, And then June, I think that's how you say it, June. I have Saquon. I actually just pulled this one today. To be honest, I have no idea which one this is. I have to do some research, but I'm going to keep these two. And then I have Mingyu. Anyway, that is all I have for today's video, and I hope to see you very soon in my next one. Bye!